Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are starting with the MCQs of History and Civics for first semester board examination ICSE 10th, and I'm gonna cover many sample papers in this video. If you want a full syllabus revision of History and Civics, you can comment. If I get more than 10 comments stating that you need full syllabus revision, then I'll make a separate video for that. You can take up a notebook, write the answers, and then check if it's correct or not, because I will be dictating the questions and the answers also. Now, all questions are compulsory. Maximum marks is 40 marks. Part 1 is of 26 questions with 26 marks, and then we'll move on to the next part, that is part 2 and part 3. Let's begin. Question number 1. The Muslim League was founded in. Options are given. Pause the video, try to answer this. Answer is option D, that is 1906. If this video is not clear, then you can go to your quality and set to 1080p or 720p, then this video will be clear. Some students complain about the video being blurred, so I would ask them to go to settings and click higher quality, that is 480p, 720p. Okay, question number 2. Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant were associated with the. Answer is option C, that is Home Rule movement. Question number 3. Who started two well-known papers, the Kesari and the Maharatha? Answer is option C, that is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who was elected as the president of the Indian National Congress thrice? Option A, Dadabhai Naoroji. Moving to question number 5. Who is considered as the father of the Indian National Congress? A.O. Hume. Question number 6. The first session of the Indian National Congress was attended by. Option A, 72 delegates. In the election to the president of the Congress held in January 1939, Gandhiji supported Patabhi Sitaramaiah against. Answer is option C. Question number 8. Dr. Satyapal and Dr. Saifuddin Kichliu were associated with the. If I am not able to pronounce the name, sorry for that. Question number 8, answer C. Question number 9. The annual session of the Indian National Congress was held at Lahore in 1929 under the presidentship of. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India and served this post till. Option D, May 27, 1964. When did the Cripps mission come to India? March 1942. Mahatma Gandhi started the civil disobedience movement with the famous Dandi March. Question number 13. A Khilafat committee was formed in India under the leadership of Hakim Azmal Khan, Maulana Azad, the Ali brothers and. Option D, Hasrat Mohani. The British government passed the Rowlatt Act in. Answer is option B, March 1919. The indigo cultivators of Dash were bound by law to grow indigo on the 3/20th of their land and sell them to the British planters at prices fixed by them. Answer is option A, Champaran. Question number 16. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa in. Answer is option B, 1915. India is a federation of different states. Question number 18. Ordinary bills may originate in either house of the parliament. But for the case of Lok Sabha, money bills are originated only in Lok Sabha. Question number 19. The speaker may resign from his post on health or on other grounds by submitting a letter or resignation to the Deputy Speaker. In case of money bills, the dash has been given virtually no powers. Answer is option A. A motion of no confidence against the union government can only be introduced and passed in the answer is B. Lok Sabha. When we compare Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, of course we feel and we can see that Lok Sabha has more powers in comparison to Rajya Sabha. But the difference is that when it comes to dissolution of Lok Sabha, it should be dissolved in 5 years, while Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. The Vice President of India is elected by both the houses of the Parliament. Identify the correct statement. Read these statements. Pause the video. Answer is option A. The president can be removed from his office by impeachment. 2/3 majority. The Council of Ministers is actually responsible to the Lok Sabha. 26. First session of every new parliament and first session of every fiscal year is addressed by the option B, President. Part 2, that is of 6 marks. Choose the correct answer on the basis of given table. I don't feel that this question can come in your question paper since you don't have to learn the number of seats in the Lok Sabha according to the states. But you should know that number of seats are allotted according to the population of that state. If it has more population, then more seats will be taken from that state. Okay? This is only in India, but in USA it's different. It's like they'll take same equal number of seats from every state. Right? Question number 27. Answer is option A. Question number 28. Pause the video. Answer is option B. Question number 29. Who played a very significant role in the formation of the Swaraj Party? 2 options are correct. You have to take 2 options. C and D are correct. Part 3, that is of 8 marks. That is question number 30. Read the passage. Pause the video, read this passage. Now you have to answer the questions. What do you understand by the term Swadeshi? Answer is A. How did the idea of Swadeshi popularize in the Indian subcontinent? Answer is B. What were the advantages of the Swadeshi movement during the freedom movement? 2 answers are correct. Answer A and answer B. But in your board examination, you have to choose only one answer. That is the closest. They'll not give options, 2 options correct. They'll never give 2 options correct, right? With reference to the given picture, answer the following. Option A, identify the person in the picture. Answer is option C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Where was he born? Option A, Gujarat. Which session of the Indian National Congress was presided by him? Answer is Karachi, 1931. He is popularly known as the, everybody knows this, Iron Man of India. We will start with the next sample paper, but before that I would ask you a GK question. Which is the highest statue in India? I know everybody knows the answer. You can comment and please tell me the height also and where is it situated. Let's begin with sample paper 2. Lord Lytton was associated with? Answer is option D. Who among the following passed the Calcutta Corporation Act and increased the number of official members in 1899? A. Lord Curzon. Question number 3. Who among the following set up an orphanage in 1864 to provide shelter to poor widows and their children? Jyotiba Phule. Question number 4. Surendranath Banerjee was associated with the Swadeshi and boycott movement. The famous book Gitanjali is associated with Rabindranath Tagore. Madan Mohan Malviya was associated with the Banaras Hindu University. Now this is a little blurred, but you have to manage it. Just listen to my question and I will also dictate the options. The Dash Pact had brought the Hindus and the Muslims on the same platform to fight against the British government. Options are Kanpur, Lucknow, Allahabad and Surat. Correct answer is option B, Lucknow. Lawyers such as Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, etc. gave up their legal practice during the options are Quit India movement, Non-Cooperation movement, Pune Pact, Civil Disobedience movement. ये करोड़पति का क्वेश्चन खेल रहे हम. You have to answer this. Answer is option B, Non-Cooperation movement. Question number 9. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in July 1931, March 1931, September 1931, May 1931. Answer is option B, March 1931. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were hanged in options are 1932, 1933, 1931, 1934. Answer is C, 1931. For the first time, women participation in the freedom movement at mass scale was seen during the answer is option B, Civil Disobedience movement. Subhash Chandra Bose, along with Jawaharlal Nehru, was a strong supporter of C, socialist ideas. It is supposed that Subhash Chandra Bose was killed in an aeroplane accident on his way to answer is B, Tokyo. When the elections for the Constituent Assembly were held in July 1946, the Congress won dash seats out of 292 seats which were reserved for the British India. Answer is option B. The Muslim League under the leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah passed a resolution and rejected the Cabinet Mission Plan on answer is option A, that is July 29, 1946. Who among the following conceived a plan of a Muslim state at the Allahabad session of the Muslim League in 1930? Answer is Muhammad Iqbal. Question number 17. A dash is an estimation of revenue and expenses over a specified future period of time and is usually compiled and reevaluated on a periodic basis. Answer is option A, budget. 8 नंबर को आप सेव कर लीजिए अपने कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट में. आपके चाहे कोई भी डाउट हो, मैथ्स, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी, आपको सबकी आंसर्स मिलेंगे इस नंबर पर. इसके लिए आपको पहले सेव करना पड़ेगा इसको कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट में. उसके बाद आपके जो भी डाउट्स है आपको उसकी फोटो क्लिक करनी है. फोटो क्लिक करने के बाद उसे क्रॉप करना है और सेंड कर देना है इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे. तुरंत पाए वीडियो सॉल्यूशन 5 सेकंड के अंदर 6 to 12 IIT मेंस एंड एडवांस नीट और सारे स्टेट बोर्ड के लिए. तो देर किस बात की, अभी अपना डाउट इस नंबर पे भेजिए और इंस्टेंट सॉल्यूशन पाएं. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. The 12th Lok Sabha had the shortest tenure, just dash months in the parliamentary history of India. Option D, 13. With reference to the impeachment of president, the resolution shall be made only after providing at least dash days earlier notice, signed by not less than 1/4 of the total members of the House. Option C. Who can settle disputes between the union government and the state government or between the states themselves? Answer is C, Supreme Court. How many seats are reserved for the scheduled caste in the Lok Sabha? B. How many seats are reserved for the scheduled tribes in the Lok Sabha? A. I'll be continuing with these MCQ in part 2. I'll attach the playlist in the link. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.